I want to have a look at my throttle body. So pull the cap, the oil cap, remove the shroud. You can figure that out. In here I've got one of these things. I pry this up, pull it out, it comes out and lets it go. That's what it looks like. Set it where I can definitely drop it down inside my engine. That's now free. Go right in here, loosen this. That's now free. You can see it coming free, the throttle body. Loosen this over here, I can take that off. Release this, pull it free of right there. I should be able to just lift that whole intake right off of there. That's what I want to look at, is that throttle body. I'm never sure if taking stuff apart is wise, but I'm too silly to be scared of it. This is a locking tab. I'm gonna push that over. I should be able to squeeze right there with my finger. Unplug that, lay it somewhere that's not too hot. Up out of the way. I'm gonna pull, it looks like these 4 bolts, and hopefully not mess up the gasket. I should be able to take that throttle body right off. I got 4 10mm bolts to take off. Drop anything inside my engine. So I'm going to take that right off of there. There's my gasket right there. Find the cleanest piece of an old baby blanket I can and just cover that hole. Now this is what I want to look at. And it is fairly gummed up, if you can see that. So we're going to get some carb cleaner and go. Came outside on the back of the trailer where, you know, it's more, we'll call it ventilated. Took some carb cleaner. Not worried about the outside that much, just where the gasket seats. And an old towel. There's a couple of marks. I keep working to get it out, but much cleaner. Removed the rag, wiped things clean, got the gasket seated. If you've got the opportunity, you might as well go ahead and replace that. But I don't tonight. So we're gonna set that in, plug the hole, add some bolts to it. Reseat it, put your bolts in. I don't have a torque spec. It's probably online somewhere, but we're going with about that tight. Plug in the electronics. Hear the click, relock the tab, give it a pull. It's all over putting it back together. This goes in. Clean that up. It seats on there. Clean that up. Seats on there. Make sure it's fully seated. Tighten here. Tighten. Where'd it go? Can't see it. Right there. Replace this thing. Back in. Push it down. Good to go. Lastly, replace this hose. I should have done it before I tightened everything up, apparently. There you go. You don't come here to learn from my knowledge. You come to learn from my mistakes. Replace this as you're putting everything back, before you're tightening everything up. Promise it'll be easier. You might not break a hose. I didn't break the hose, but I might have if I wasn't careful. I'll button back up. Hopefully that does the trick. If it doesn't, we'll be into evap canisters and fuel. Who knows? Who knows? Hopefully it does. Now you've seen it.